Hard Enduro, and I'm riding like dog poo. These guys are riding good, especially Dane here. 12-year-old is showing me up, showing me how to do it. You know, if you got enough gas to do trail 2 and back to the truck, I'm game, but if not, I'm also had enough for the day.
See it?
I can see the little nozzle thing.
Yeah.
See the
Uh-oh.
petcock sticking up?
No, it's not sticking out of the fuel.
Oh, okay.
Uh-oh. Well,
It's like right there though.
probably should head back then.
Yeah.
But it's on reserve though.
I've had enough.
We can go to the entrance. You can just chill while he goes up it, and then we can leave. That way he can get it in.
Yeah.
Or you can try it and see how much we got left in your bike and see what happens.
Yeah, and then you just
Because I have the fuel can.
Yeah, you'll just have to run all the way back to the truck. Yeah, 2.
Let's go test it out.